Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Logitech Pro Wireless side button double clicking. So basically what you'll need to do is take your button out and just blow some air or use vacuum or just clean cloth and just clean this area. And after that your problem should be fixed, because for me it worked. Like, I took this key out, then blow some air and put it back again, and this method worked for me. So maybe it will work for you too. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below a nice comment, and like this video. So if this video was helpful, have a nice day. Peace.